Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started chapter 17 temperature. So the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of any object is defined as temperature. Okay, and we measure the temperature with the help of thermometer. As you can see the picture here, in left side we have Celsius scale and right side we have Fahrenheit scale, where you can see 0 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale, that is freezing point of water, and 100 degrees Celsius, that is boiling point of water. When we see in Fahrenheit scale, 32 degree Fahrenheit is freezing point of water and 212 degree Fahrenheit is boiling point of water. Okay, then we had seen clinical thermometer. It is used to measure human body temperature. It is marked from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, and the normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, in Celsius scale it is marked between 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, and the normal body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, then we had seen how to convert Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. For that we have 2 points. First, subtract 32 from the given temperature. Okay, then second, multiply the result by 5 by 9. As you can see the example here, we have 86 degree Fahrenheit. So first we have to subtract 32 from 86, as you can see here. Then we have to multiply by 5 by 9. Okay, and whatever will get the result from here, that we have to multiply by 5 by 9. So from here we will get 54, and this 54 we have to multiply by 5 by 9. When we calculate this, when we reduce the term and all, then we will get 30 degree Celsius. Okay, then we had seen rule for converting Celsius scale to Fahrenheit. Okay, for this also we have 2 points. First, multiply by 9 by 5. Then second, add 32 to the product. Okay, so according to the point, see the example. Suppose here we have 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so according to point number 1, first this temperature we have to multiply by 9 by 5, and that you can see here. Okay, 45 into 9 by 5. Then we have to add 32, as you can see here. Okay, so from here when we calculate it, we will get 81 plus 32. When we add, we will get 113 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, today we are going to discuss more question from the exercise 17.1. Okay, so here we have question number 1. We have 60 degrees Celsius temperature we have in Celsius, and this we have to convert in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, then you know the rule how to convert. First we have to multiply this temperature by 9 by 5, then we have to add 32. Okay, so this can be written like this. First we have to give big bracket, then small bracket. Inside this small bracket we have to write here 60, which is given in question, into 9 by 5. This is according to point number 1. Then small bracket close, then plus, then 32, then big bracket close, then give here degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now from here when we calculate, 5 1 ja 5, 5 12 ja 60. Okay, now when we multiply 12 by 9, we will get 108, and this plus 32 as it is you write here. Then finally we have to add this. Okay, when we add, we will get 140 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. Okay, so this is how we have to convert Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. Okay, now this is question number 2. Second, here we have 176 degree Fahrenheit. We have the temperature in Fahrenheit here. Okay, and this we have to convert in Celsius scale. Okay, so 176 degree Fahrenheit equal to, we have to give big bracket, then a small bracket. Then according to point number 1, first we have to subtract 32 from given temperature, and given temperature here we have 176. Okay, So 32 we have to subtract from 176. Okay, as you can see here, 176 minus 32. Then small bracket close. Now we have to multiply according to point number 2. We have to multiply by 5 by 9. Okay, here you can give the multiplication sign. You can give. I am not giving here. Okay, now when we subtract 32 from 176, we'll get 144. Okay, 144, and this result we have to multiply by 5 by 9. When we multiply, we'll get 80 degree Celsius. Now let me show you. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 5 left, 5 and 4 54, 9 6 ja 54. Now what is left here? 16 into 5. Now 16 into 5, 80 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is how we have to convert Fahrenheit scale into Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. Okay. Now this is question number 3. If on a particular winter day the temperature of Delhi was 0 degree Celsius, express it in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so we have the temperature 0 degree Celsius, and this we have to convert in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, you know very well 0 degree Celsius is freezing point of water in Celsius scale. So we have to find out freezing point of water. So we have to convert this 0 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so according to the point, first we have to multiply by 9 by 5. As you can see here, 0 into 9 by 5. Then we have to add 32. Okay, then we have to add 32. When we calculate it, we'll get 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we'll get 0 only. This you know very well. So from here, from this part we got 0 plus 32 you write as it is here. Now finally when we add, we'll get 32 degree Fahrenheit, and you know very well 32 degree Fahrenheit is freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we have some question answer, so that also you have to solve, that you also you have to write. So question number 4, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit scale when water boils? You know very well 212 degree Fahrenheit is the boiling point of water. You can see in photograph also. Here you can see 212 degree Fahrenheit water boils, boiling point of water, points of water. Then we have question number 5, fill in the blanks. The instrument used for measuring body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Okay. Second, boiling point of water in degrees Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius. You can see here also 100 degrees Celsius water boils. So 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. Okay. Question number 3, freezing point of water in degrees Celsius is 0 degrees Celsius. You know very well, and in degrees Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Now question number 4, normal body temperature of an adult is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is normal body temperature. Okay, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius if we talk about Celsius scale, and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit if we talk about Fahrenheit scale. Okay, a person having fever has a body temperature more than 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, because you know very well normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit if we talk about Fahrenheit scale. Okay, if more than that, that means the person having fever. Understood? So I hope today whatever I have discussed with you, that is clear to you. Thank you.